हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। आज है डे 3 ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस सीरीज एंड थीम है breathe. So today's session will help you in improving your breathing pattern, and also you will get to learn that how you can breathe deep during asana practice. सबसे पहले हम अवेयरनेस लेकर जाएंगे नेचुरल ब्रेथ की तरफ. सेकेंड थिंग हम लर्न करेंगे योगिक ब्रीदिंग विच विल हेल्प यू इन लर्निंग हाउ टू ब्रीद फुल्ली एंड कम्प्लीटली एंड हाउ टू यूटिलाइज मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी ऑफ योर लंग्स. एंड लास्ट हम लोग लर्न करने वाले हैं उज्जयी ब्रीदिंग, जो कि आपको काम डाउन करती है, रिलैक्स करती है, विच यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज ड्यूरिंग आसना प्रैक्टिस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आप इन ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स को कभी भी यूज कर सकते हो दिन भर में, जब भी आप रिलैक्स फील करना चाहो. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So we'll start with natural breathing today. You take your awareness to your natural breath. This process in itself is sufficient to make you feel calm and relaxed. It slows down the respiratory rate. So we'll start with the practice. Sit comfortably, or you can lie down in Shavasana. If you are sitting like this, make sure your spine is uplifted, shoulders rolled back and completely relaxed. Join the tip of the thumb to the tip of index finger, back of the hand resting on your knees, chin parallel to the floor. Close your eyes. You are completely relaxed. Observe the natural and spontaneous breathing process. Develop total awareness of the rhythmic flow of your breath. Feel the breath flowing in and out of the nose. Do not control the breath in any way. Notice that the breath is cool as it enters the nostrils and warm as it flows out. Now feel the breath flowing in the lungs. Be aware of the lungs expanding and relaxing. Now slowly shift the attention to the rib cage and observe the expansion and relaxation of this area. Now bring the awareness down to the abdomen. Abdomen moves upward on inhalation and downward on exhalation. Finally, become aware of the whole breathing process from the nostrils to the abdomen and continue observing it for some time. Now bring your awareness back to your physical body. Gentle blinks, open your eyes. Now we'll practice abdominal breathing. So place one palm on your abdomen. You can stick to same seated position, or you can lie down on your spine, completely fine. Close your eyes and just watch the movement of your abdomen while breathing. When you inhale, your abdomen expands, and when you exhale, it contracts. 5 repetitions. Inhale, exhale. Breathe deep and long. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Next is chest breathing. Place both your palms on your chest. With every inhalation, your chest expands, and with every exhalation, it contracts. Watch this movement for next 5 repetitions. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Back of the hand resting on your knees. Now shift your awareness up at your collarbones. This is clavicular breathing, when with an inhalation your collarbone slightly rises up and with an exhalation they sink down. It's a very subtle movement, so pay more attention around your clavicular region, around your collarbones. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Another inhalation, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale. Relax. Gentle blinks, open your eyes. Next practice is yogic breathing. So it is a combination of these three. So with an inhalation, first your abdomen will expand, then your chest expands, and then you will feel subtle movement in your collarbones. Your collarbone also rises up. So this happens with one inhalation. It's a continuous inhalation without any break. Like if I inhale, you have to inhale deep and long. So first abdomen expands, then chest expands, and then collarbone slightly rises up. And with an exhalation, first collarbone sinks down, chest contracts, and then abdomen goes in. So this was one deep breath. This is how we'll go for 5 deep long breaths. Start. Take a deep breath in. Feel the expansion up to your abdomen. Now your chest expands. Collarbone rises up. Exhale. Collarbone sinks down. Chest contracts. Abdomen goes in. Another deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Just watch your breath. Watch the natural flow of your breath. Yogic breathing helps in utilizing maximum capacity of your lungs. Gentle blinks, open your eyes. Now we'll go for Ujjayi breathing. It is very much same as deep long yogic breathing, just that you have to take your awareness to the back of your throat while breathing. So feel as if you are breathing from the back of your throat. It sounds like baby snoring. So instead of feeling your nostrils while breathing, feel the back of your throat. I'll quickly show you how the practice looks like. Breath has to be deep, long and harmonious. We'll start the practice. Do however much you can comfortably. Sit in comfortable position, spine uplifted, palms facing up. Inhale. Exhale. Your mouth is closed during the practice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now bring your awareness back to the natural flow of your breath. Hands at the back. Grab your opposite elbows. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, bend forward. Send your gratitudes to the universal energy, being thankful to the Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Release your hands. Rub your palms nicely. Generate the heat. Transfer this heat to that body part which you want to heal. For emotional strength, you can place palms on your chest. Once again, rub your palms, and this time, cup your eyes. Looking straight into your palms, gently open your eyes, palms to the chest center. Namaste. As we sat for really long in today's practice, so if you are experiencing numbness in your legs, just lie down on your spine. Take your feet off and just move your legs. Once you are relaxed, release, sit up. आज के प्रैक्टिस के बाद आप बहुत ही काम एंड रिलैक्स्ड फील कर रहे होंगे. आई एम श्योर आपने कुछ तो नया सीखा होगा. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आपने क्या नया लर्न किया है आज के सेशन से. इन टेक्निक्स को अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ में भी ज़रूर यूज़ करना. आई विल सी यू टुमारो. कल है जेंटल हता. टिल देन टेक केयर. नमस्ते.